Hi, it's me again, and the content of today's video is I'm gonna bike check my bike, of course. Let's start. And let's start the frame. The frame is Agmaliw demo, triple button, and the fork is made of carbon alloy steel 70771. The cockpit, it's Uno seat post, Uno stem, 17130 mm, and this 400 mm, and the drop bar is 36 size drop bar. Let's go to driving. Of course, the shifter RCI, it's Sensa FR, and the front, it's Agmaliw ultralight, but I changed the chainring at 60 teeth. It's what you call this? It's Light Pro crank box. Chain, of course. Shimano chain, and Zito, Cox, Ultegra. Of course, it's Ultegra. And it has carbon or oversized pulley. Brake set is Zito caliper. It has Western bike bottle cage. Let's go to the rim set. The rim is Agmaliw Veneno. The spokes are made of alloy bladed spokes. It's dealer spokes that we call. And the hub is Agmaliw Veneno hub, 36 ratchet type. It sounds like this. And Chaoyang tire and zig saddle, titanium bolts,